Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can create your own brush tips in Elements to create customized tips with their own set shape, diameter, texture, and other options. The tip of your brush determines the appearance of brush strokes you apply. You can create a custom brush by either sampling pixels in an image or by specifying your own settings. You can also create a brush out of something that you have painted, drawn, or even photographed. If you wish to create a custom brush tip based on a sampling of pixels, first use one of these selection tools in the toolbox to select the pixels that you want to use as the basis for your new brush tip. To be most effective, the shape you select should be on a white background. However, if you wish to create a brush tip with soft edges, then select pixels with a gray value. Also note that colored brush shapes appear as gray values. The foreground color that you have selected will determine the color of the brush when you use it. After you have selected your brush tip shape, select Edit, Define Brush from Selection from the menu bar. In the Brush Name dialog box that appears, type a name for the new brush tip, and then click the OK button to add the new brush tip to your list of preset brushes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.